Yan kaya Donato, grabe. Another shot by Coach Ran. Another shot by Nick. 3 for the 10 again. Bang! 2 for... Good point. 5. Bang! Felipe for 3. Bang! 3 points by Felipe. Good. 5 to shoot. 2 points by Still by takes 2 points. Grab. 2 points. 5 to shoot. 2 points by Donato. 2 points by Gondolin. 2 points by Bounce, step back. 2-pointer para kay Cruz. 15 to shoot. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Bam! 15. 10. 2 points. 2 points by Coach Arnold. 3 points by Don. Abelio. Susubok. 2 points by Abelio. 2 points by... Nice stroke. Easy basket. Power move by... Long 2. Coach Arnold, boy. Run for 3, bang, 3 points. Rebound by Donato. Mag-isa, easy basket. 5. Elsana. Rebound by number 16. Still by Pinko. Lodi, easy basket by Lodi. 10 to shoot. 2.5 good. Easy layup by Lodi. Another shot, no good. Rebound by Darin. Pull up, 2-pointer is good. 6 minutes remaining. Bang! 2 points. Nice shot. 10 to shoot. Karate na naman line. Still by number 14. Reverse is no good. 2 points for Black Thunder. Easy basket, 2 points. Great shot, pinakayaan sa press. Tingnan mo na. Good. 2 points by number 14. 5. 2 points by number 16. Lodi for 3. Bang! 3 points by Lodi. Nice pass. Easy basket. Lodi another shot. No good. Rebound. Great shot. Pinabayaan ulit. Bang! points by Grenzo. Number 16 for 3. Bang! 3 points. 25 seconds remaining. Bang! 3 points. 20. 5 seconds. 2 points. 3 seconds. Grabe naman yung pasabit nun. 2 points. Ooh. 2 points. 2 pala. Grancho. Nice pass to Lodi. Easy basket. Number 55. Go! Easy basket by Go! Easy basket by Lodi. Dahan-dahan nagmamadali. Easy basket. Rebound. Easy basket. Our score is 32-39. Tulay B, nantay. Binali-bali-bali. 2 points. Lalay for 3. Bang! 3 points. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes exactly. Lodi, another 2 points by Lodi. Pull up 2 points. Lodi, bang! 3 points by Good. 2 points by Garin. 15 to shoot. Bang! 3 points by the second remaining. 2 points. Ready. No good. 2 points. Babalik pa rin sila ang score. Bang! All 15. Babalik pa rin sila. No good. Nice pass by Felipe. Felipe is the basket. Two points by Jaja. Coach Arnold. For 3. Gumulong. 2 points. 2 points by Basas. Pass! Ay, ganda sana. Coach Arnold na isa. Easy basket. Pull up 2 points by Angelo. Good. Coach Arnold, easy basket. Ba't may lumilipad, guys? Bang! 3 points by Donja. Short. Rebound by Basas. Gandang katwan. Easy basket na yan. Nice shot. Drop pass to Marky. Easy basket by Marky. Short. Marky. Pasa kay Felipe mag-isa. Boarding. Easy basket. Rebound by Luca. 2 points by Donja. Bang! 2 points by 5 seconds. points by Donja. Walang makupas-kupas. 25 seconds remaining. Bang! 20 seconds remaining. Bang! Long two by number 34. 2 points. Kelly. Easy basket by Kelly. Ah, 1-2 by Pinto. Masif inantay. Easy basket.
90 naman, no?
2 points. 2 points. Bang! 2 points. Two points. May nag-repetition ba, no? Bang! 3 points by Benzo.
Loser 2 versus ano, winner ng game. Loser 2 tayo.
Easy basket. Two points by Dinitbet. Easy basket. 2 points. Alban. No good. 45 seconds remaining. 2 points. Kelly. 2 points. Pagabang! 3 points by Lloyd. Progressive for 3. 2 points. Kelly, inantay. Easy basket by Kelly. Bam! 3 points by Nate. Our score is 30. Lodi, pull up. 2 points. 15 to shoot. Bam!
3 points ba?
3 points.
4 points? Sige, lagay ko yan.
Short. Bam! 2 points by Ran. Last 1 minute. 2 points. 15 seconds remaining.